and welcome to another edition of Home Cooking Done Roxy. I am Rosalind Roxy Jenkins. I'm taking these bun cakes out the oven. You know y'all always have that one friend there that challenge you guys or push you to your limit. That's my friend. My friend Miss Sharon. Shout out to Miss Sharon for always pushing me to my limits, pushing me to my full potential, and supporting me. Never asking for nothing for free. She be like, if you do it, I pay you, and I do it. Here we go. These are upside down pineapple cakes. And then some of mine just regular bun cakes. There we go. And all I'm gonna do is add cherries. Cause what's an upside down pineapple cake without the cherry? Just a plain old cake, huh? I don't know. One there, one there. So I made 3. And one right there. I sprinkle a little bit more brown sugar on top. Make it cute. You know what I'm saying? This is another edition of Home Cooking Done Roxy. And I am killing these cakes, girl. I'm over here showing out today. And it's raining in the 305, believe it or not. So this is the perfect time for me to be doing this. Thank you. Ciao. I figured I'd just hold on and show y'all one more. These are lime bun cakes. Lime mini bun cakes. Hold on, we'll do it again. I had to take my mitten off and start over. This is Home Cooking Done Roxy, and I am Rosalind Roxy Jenkins. These are lemon mini bun cakes, and we get ready to flip them out again. I ain't so good with these RoboCop mittens. Some of y'all might be too. I don't even know who RoboCop is. I'm trying to hurry up for the time run out. One of my in-laws brought me this pump bun cake for my wedding gift. Home Cooking Done Roxy lemon bun cakes.